Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This video continues the process by showing how to prepare the batter, bake the cupcakes properly, and choose toppings that match the flavor. A good strawberry cupcake tastes like summer in every bite. Soft crumb, juicy berry flavor, and that gentle pink color that makes a dessert table look happy right away. These cupcakes keep things simple for home bakers, but still feel special enough for birthdays, baby showers and spring or summer parties. This fresh strawberry cupcake recipe uses real berries for flavor, not just pink coloring or strong extract. You will see what ingredients you need, how to make moist strawberry cupcakes step by step, and easy topping ideas for different tastes. Key ingredients for moist and flavorful strawberry cupcakes. The base of any fresh strawberry cupcake recipe is simple pantry ingredients plus real fruit. Each one has a job, from keeping the crumb soft to boosting flavor. Fresh strawberries versus jam or extract, what gives the best flavor? Fresh strawberries give a bright, juicy taste and a natural pink tint. They also add moisture, which helps keep cupcakes soft. If you use only fresh berries though, the flavor can fade a bit as they bake. Strawberry jam brings a deeper, cooked berry taste and a stronger color. It is thick, so it adds flavor without too much extra liquid. Strawberry extract has the boldest flavor, but too much can taste fake or harsh. For the best balance, use finely chopped or pureed fresh strawberries, plus a spoonful of jam or a small splash of extract. This mix gives strong flavor, pretty color, and a soft crumb. Dry the berries while on paper towels before adding them to the batter so they do not water it down. Frozen strawberries also work if you let them thaw, drain, and pat them dry very well. They hold more liquid, so take extra care with blotting. Batter basics: flour, sugar, butter, and eggs that create a soft crumb. All-purpose flour is the base. It gives enough structure so the cupcakes hold their shape, but still stay tender. Beginners should scoop flour into the measuring cup with a spoon, then level the top. Do not pack or scoop straight from the bag, or the cupcakes can turn out dry. Granulated sugar sweetens the batter and helps it stay moist. Softened unsalted butter adds rich flavor and a fine crumb. When you cream butter and sugar together, you whip little air pockets into the mix, which helps the cupcakes rise light and fluffy. Room temperature eggs blend more easily into the batter and help it hold together. Cold eggs can make the batter curdle or look lumpy. Little extras that boost color and taste. A small list of extras takes your cupcakes from basic to bakery style. Vanilla extract makes the strawberry flavor taste round and full, not flat. A pinch of salt cuts through sweetness and makes every flavor pop more. Baking powder is the lift. It helps the batter rise in the oven, so you get a soft, cake-like crumb instead of something dense and heavy. An optional drop or two of pink gel food color can brighten the shade if your berries are pale. Gel color is better than liquid color since it adds less extra liquid to the batter. These tiny touches keep the recipe easy, but the cupcakes look polished and party ready. Step by step, how to make strawberry cupcakes at home. Once your ingredients are ready, the process for how to make moist strawberry cupcakes is very simple. It helps to break it into 3 parts: prepping berries, mixing batter, and baking. Prep the strawberries so your cupcakes do not turn soggy. Start by rinsing your strawberries under cool water, then pat them dry with a clean towel. Hull them by cutting off the green tops and any white, hard core. This part wraps up the main steps and ideas that turn simple strawberry cupcakes into bakery-style desserts for any occasion. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.